Hi everyone. Another important topic for CISSP exam, network access control NAC device. A network access control device is a security solution that controls who and what can connect to a network. It ensures that only authorized users and compliant devices gain access, redu- gain access reducing the risk of cyber threats. So, important point is compliant devices and authorized users um, can able to access or can gain the access. So, what are the key function of NAC devices? Authentication and authorization verifies user before granting network access using password, some other authentication methods like such as biometrics and certificates, right? Second thing is device compliance check ensures connecting devices meet security requirements. They have updated antivirus. Firewall is enabled on those devices. So those devices will be allowed to connect the network. And also, uh, it access control policies allows or blocks user based on role-based rules, role-based access control, we can say. Employees can access internal system, uh, but guests get limited internet access. So internet network segmentation also um, also key function here. Restrict sensitive areas by placing users devices into different security zones. Another key function is monitoring and threat detection. Continuously scans for suspicious activity and blocks compromised devices. So the two main points which we need to understand: it allows access to authorized users, and only it allows um, access for the for those devices which are compliant. So that is very important thing we need to understand. We have different types of NAC devices: hardware based NAC, we can say appliance based. It could be a physical devices, firewall switches, security appliances enforce NAC policies. Software based NAC, that is software installed on a endpoints, PCs, laptop, internet, IoT, Internet of Things devices enforce security rules. Cloud-based NACs is also available. Cloud-based, cloud-hosted solution that controls multiple access across multiple locations remotely. So there are a few examples of NAC devices. Cisco Identity Service Engine, ICE, we call it ICE, um, that can be used uh, to achieve this type of solution. 14 is also, I think, one of the solution is out there. Microsoft Network Policy Server. Uh, so real world use cases, um, corporate networks only employees with company laptops can access internal systems. Uh, and some implies they are allowed to bring their own device, for instance BYOD, bring your own device, secure own device. So in that case, personal devices must meet the security requirement before connecting to any internal device or internal infrastructure, internal network. And guest network visitors get limited internet access but cannot access internal systems. So IoT securities block unauthorized smart devices from connecting to critical system. So the benefits of NAC devices are prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data, reduce the risk of malware, cyber attacks from compromised devices, ensures compliance with security policies, HIPAA, PCI, PCI DSS, GDPR provides real monitoring and response threat. It provides real-time monitoring and response threat. NAC is nowadays is essential for modern cybersecurity in enterprise, data center, and cloud environment. And also, I have put one diagram together to have better clarity on this. So, for instance, in this diagram, you can see internet, then we have firewall. Um, Traffic from the internet first goes through firewall for basic filtering, and and then you can see uh, right after firewall we have NAC device which checks all user and devices before granting network access, internal network access. So NAC decision is based on uh, based on authentications, based on compliance. This is a legitimate user, so then then the access will be allowed to that particular user to the um, internal network. So here you can see uh, authenticated users, which they will be allowed to access internal user, and those devices are not compliant or users are not legitimate users, they are blocked. So access will be denied for them due to security policy violation. And so I would say key takeaways, NAC acts as a security checkpoint. We can say it is kind of security checkpoint, and acts as a security checkpoint, allowing only trusted users and devices. Unauthorized users or compromised devices are blocked from internal network. Uh, Common in enterprise security, cloud network, and IoT protection. Um, and yeah, this is that's it about NAC, network access control and architecture. I think I have seen in multiple. I have seen in some questions they ask about network access control architecture. So I think that is the um, quick information about this topic. So I hope you have understood about this topic. If any feedback from your end, kindly add in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.